Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add a song on your profile on Instagram. This is a new feature which Instagram has brought out, so let me go ahead and teach it to you. First of all, what you need to do is open Instagram on your phone. After you open Instagram, you must go to your profile, which is on the bottom right hand side. After you tap on it, you can see edit profile. Go ahead and tap on edit profile and scroll all the way down. After you scroll all the way down, you will see something like music. So this feature might not have been added to some of your phones. You should keep patience. You can go ahead and click on force stop after you go to Instagram settings, clear the cache and try to open it once, and you can now see this, or else you can update Instagram. So go ahead and click on music, which is right here on the profile. Go to edit profile, scroll a bit down and you will find this music option. Go ahead and tap on add music to your profile and click on pick a song for your profile. After you do so, you can see the for you and the browse option. You can go ahead and play a song. After you play a song, you can select the particular song which you want to use. And you can also select the duration of the song like this. So you can see that for now it is only 30 seconds. You can keep lesser than this, and you can see that part of song can be chosen as well. So you can listen to this and click on the tick mark and click on the tick mark again. So there you go. If you go back, you can now see that this song can be played as well, and others can play it, and only you can see this remove profile and change profile song. So if they want to view this song, they can go to it and click on view audio page, and you can see this audio type and the singer of the song as well. So guys, this is how you keep a song on your profile on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.